turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it.
Welcome back to Crash Cars, everyone. Hey, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button, because with what we're about to do with this 48 Spider, you guys are gonna love it. Anyway, to everybody else who's seen this and loves this channel, I hope you guys do. You're probably wondering, what the heck is he doing? Why does he have another 48? And why is he about to do a review on it? I'm not really gonna do a review today, guys. I'm actually gonna be talking about the subtle differences between the Spider and the Coupe. Now, yes, like, what's the difference videos? This is not gonna be one of those. We'll do one of those later on in the year or whenever. But what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna tell you guys and show you guys the subtle differences of the Spider. We're gonna go around the outside, on the inside, on a drive, and like always on Crash Cars, you're gonna hear that gorgeous exhaust start up. And then maybe, if I feel like it, which I kinda am because it's some nice weather, we might just drop the top and do some POV action in this Spider. So, let me go ahead and get down to it. So what is the difference? Well, let me tell you guys, it's the back. Pretty interesting enough, I mean, surprising, right? But if you are a Ferrari fan, just like all Spiders, the back, you cannot see the engine. It is covered by this metal plate, well, technically aluminum plate because the entire body is aluminum, and obviously the convertible roof is different. It is still aluminum, just like the normal Coupe roof, but, you know, it breaks apart in a couple pieces, and that's basically the difference. Now, the Coupe is 100 pounds lighter than the Spider. It's actually 110 pounds to be exact. But other than that, the car is the same. And then on the inside, you do have the, you know, open and close the roof button. And that's it. The car, the Spider, and the Coupe both share the same 0 to 60 time of 3.0 seconds. First thoughts on this interior, it is beautiful. Ferrari always knocks it out of the park, whether it's more sport-focused interiors or luxury-focused interiors. This one, in my opinion, is definitely more luxurious focused, more luxury focused than, say, the 48 that I did do a full review on, which had just beautiful leather and Alcantara racing bucket seats. I mean, obviously there's a big difference there. The bucket seats in that had racing in it. This is more of a GT style seat, which has wider bolsters on the butt, on the thighs, and on the back, so you have more room. Not really a seat that you'd want to take the car through a turn in hard. More of a, you know, Saturday drive, having fun on the roads, just having fun with the top down. That's about it. And I think it's gorgeous. Now, headroom in this car, yeah, it's a little bit less, surprisingly, than the Coupe. Probably because of all the mechanics up underneath this interior headliner. And space in general, I mean, it is a smaller car. I am a huge person, so I do look kind of funny in here. The seat is all the way back and all the way down. Storage, basically like the normal car, actually identical. You have two big mesh pockets back here, a tiny little center console, a spot that perfectly fits the phone perfectly. Like perfectly, that's all you can get in, and it's kind of hard to get the phone out. Then you have a cute little compartment right here underneath the bridge for, you know, your reverse, auto, and all your fun stuff selectors. Then you have some little tiny door pockets with your boot opener and your gas cap opener as well. And then you have your mirrors over here, just like in the normal 48. Now, are there any interior differences? No. It's the identical car throughout. I mean, yes, you can obviously get different leather colors. That's in both cars. Different seat options. That's in both cars. One thing I wish this car had was the racing steering wheel. Now, this one is just a normal all-leather steering wheel with some nice aluminum in the middle. I wish it was the carbon fiber with the nice LED strip across. But can't complain. It's a Ferrari 48, and it is gorgeous. The convertible roof, I timed it twice, you know, to make sure I wasn't, you know, pressing the button a little too early or too slow. It takes it 14 seconds to go down, and then it takes it another 14 seconds to come back up. So in a total, that's 28 seconds to do the whole rotation. Not bad. It goes very nicely back there. You never have to duck your head or anything. I mean, I'm being tall, so I do get like a little nervous that it's gonna hit my head, but it will not hit your head, obviously. They're not dumb. They're Ferrari. They're smart people. Anywho, talked enough about this interior. If you want to go see a full review of the interior, go check out that other review. Like I mentioned, the link is in the comments below. But enough talking. Let's take this 48 on a drive right after you guys hear this gorgeous startup. So, see you guys out on the road and tell me what you think in the comments of that gorgeous startup. Later. Before we get to driving, I want to just go ahead and thank Ferrari of Dallas so much for letting me review this car today. Now, it's not really a review, but having the car today. So, thank you guys so much. This car is awesome. If you guys are interested in it, it is in their inventory. Just go online or call them up, and they'll hook you up. So, on with the drive. Just like any 48, it rides, you know, like a freaking sports car. And it drives like one too. Very stiff in the steering wheel, very stiff everywhere. But you know what? That feedback is what you want, especially in a car like this, to know where you're going, where the car is going, everything. It's, in my opinion, perfect. And then, you know, you could 1, 2, and even 3, knock it down 3 gears, and push it even a little bit. And you're gone. Just gone. It's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Now, yeah, 48s are, you know, Ferrari's new mid-engine sports car, and they're ridiculously fast, just, you know, like the 458 was. But not to become a reviewer or anything, but the differences between the 458 and the 488 are not just only the front splitter, the scalloped side air intakes, and the rear diffuser and the exhaust and the interior, but a lot of other little cool small things. But let's talk about those. The front splitter, what does that do? Well, one, it actually sends air. It helps send more air up underneath the car to the vortex generators, which help create vortexes under the car, which help suck the car down to the ground. And you want that because that gives you more downforce and helps you get out anywhere faster. Now, the second part is it sends air along the sides of the car into the turbo intakes, helping, you know, everything be happier. Where is that? Man, there's an ambulance right there. I hope wherever they're going, they're going to be okay. Like I said, that's what the front splitter does, and whoever in that ambulance or that ambulance is going to, God bless them. Anywho, the scalloped air intakes, what do those do? Well, one, it sends more air into the turbo intakes. More air for the turbos, happier car, faster it goes. And then two, it sends air straight out from those scalloped air intakes, straight out to the back by the taillights. And what does that do? That actually creates anti-wake turbulence, basically. It basically makes air come out the back, which makes it easier for the car to slip through the air. Less drag, going faster. Good things. And third, the exhaust. Now, well, obviously the engine's for, but I'll talk about that in a little bit. Now, third, the exhaust. What did they do with the exhaust? Well, they made the diffuser so big, the rear diffuser is so big, they actually had to move the exhausts so they could have room for the diffuser. Crazy, right? Now, the engine, it is a V8, but they actually put turbos on it. Now, I know that's a huge controversy for Ferrari, because Ferrari's a sports car that is known for their exhaust and their sound. This car still's got a good sound, and here it is. See, you can really hear the turbos in it, so it does sound really good in that aspect. But it is quieter than the 458. Take it as you will. Okay, guys, I know I've blabbered on enough about the car, and we've kind of driven around a little bit. So, yeah, see, it's really stiff. Those were just tiny bumps. Anyway, it's time to pop you guys on my face and hit that POV action with some drop top action as well. So, I guess you guys will be seeing what I see in a second. See you guys there, I guess? I don't know how that would work, but anyway, we're going to that. I'd say it sounds pretty good. Oop, gonna have to bleep that out. Whoopsie. Don't want any cops to see us flying here. But as you can see, this thing has such a good exhaust note. Take it as you want it. In my opinion, I think this sounds dang good. I got stuck with the blinkers. Oh my God, I look like an idiot with the blinkers. Come on, stop it. There we go. Yeah. Go ahead and give you guys a nice little turnaround. You guys think we can catch up with that juke? I think we caught up with him. What do you guys think? Woo! I got a little red light. And you know what, guys? Let's take it home. As you can see, this thing is a blast to drive. Highly recommend a Spider if you ever were to get one. Woo! Lost the tail end on that turn. All right, pulling back in now, guys. Gotta go ahead and say goodbye to you guys. I've enjoyed this more than you guys could ever know. All right, see you guys when you're not on my face. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed driving this 48 Spider around and talking about the differences as much as I did. I love doing this kind of stuff for you guys. I hope you love it as much as I did. If you did enjoy this, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, turn on that notification bell like always. And if you want to, if you're bored, go watch some more of the reviews and more of the stuff on the channel. Anywho, with the drop of this, I guess you could say more vlog, video, review, I don't know what to call it. With this video, also is the start of the Crash Carse merchandise. Now, what am I going to be selling? What am I going to be giving you guys? What am I going to be offering you guys? I'm going to be giving and offering stickers and hats for now. The more you guys buy, the more variety will be coming out. I promise you that. Anywho, this will be the end of this vlog, video, review, whatever you want to call it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go check out my Instagram and my Facebook. To get the merchandise, you have to go through my Instagram, DM me directly on Crash Carse. It's all the same handle. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Crash Carse out.